guys, thanks for coming back to see me. As you can tell by that title, your girl is back with another cooking vlog, and this today will be Cooking with Chud episode 3, I believe. And today we are going to be making fried chicken, one of my favorite things to eat. So if you want to see how I make that, then please stay tuned and keep on watching this video. We're gonna start. Okay y'all, so I'm gonna start with the ingredients and everything that we need to make our fried chicken, as well as the sides that I'm gonna put with it. So in my bowl, I have already washed off my chicken. I have well, these were chicken strips. I mean, I don't know what happened to them, but I have chicken strips. I have like little flats, I can't think of what these are called, little drums, and then I have big drumsticks. Yeah, and I think that's it. So I just have a mixture of all of them because honestly I wanted all of them. So yeah, I have that, and then right here you just gonna need a plate of flour, and then also you will be needing buttermilk, and then these are all the seasonings that I'm gonna use. And I know y'all probably like, girl, this is like a whole ton, like every seasoning in your cabinet, but no, it's not. I have a cabinet full of all kinds of seasonings, but again, I do like my stuff flavorful. So we got black pepper, we got Creole, we got Italian, we got Lowry's, we got paprika, we got this hot and beef seasoning, which is so freaking good. You can only get it in Texas though. Garlic pepper, onion powder. This is new. It's garlic jalapeno, which I've been loving. Garlic salt, kicking chicken, of course, regular salt, and then you need baking powder and cornstarch to add it to your flour. Over here is where I have my deep fryer for my chicken, which I already poured the oil in. Here's the basket that goes on top. I'm gonna start with the chicken. So what you want to do is season your chicken, and like I told y'all in the past, I do not measure, so I just season accordingly to how I want it. So I'm just gonna lightly coat the top. Well, I guess that's not lightly, but you know. Go in with your pepper, and be careful because this just went all up my nose. My Italian. And another reason I use a lot is because also when you add the buttermilk, it's pretty much not gonna wash it off, but I mean, you know, you're adding a liquid with it. So paprika, Lowry's, and if you don't have all these at home, obviously you don't have to use all of this. You can use whatever you want. This stuff is really spicy, but it's so good. And sometimes you want to over season the chicken, because once you coat it with the flour and everything else, it just seems like it takes the flavor away. And I have made it sometimes where it's like, if I just would have added a little bit more, it would have been way better. So my garlic salt, the kicking chicken, a regular salt, of course, and a little of the garlic jalapeno. I don't think I added this. Next, you're gonna dig in. Mix that all around. Look at this greatness. Do you guys see? Like, that's what I want my chicken to look like. Also forgot to mention, you'll need an egg to crack in here as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, which I'm gonna so I put it in this bowl first just to scramble it up. And then you want to douse it over your chicken. And then go in with your buttermilk. And just pour it amongst the top. Now this is even better if you let your chicken soak in this, you know, for half a day, while you're at work, a few hours, whatever. It makes it taste even better, but I don't have time for all that today, so. Buttermilk stinks. It smells like mildew milk, or soured milk, I should say. I'm gonna let it sit just a minute and move on to the other stuff. Okay, so let's move this out the way. And here's your flour. You want to take your baking powder and do a little razzle-dazzle over the top. Not too much. And your cornstarch, you can do a little bit more than you did the baking powder. One day I'm gonna measure stuff out for y'all, but it won't be today. You're done with that. And then I also season my flour, but I'm not gonna put everything in there. So I'm just gonna do the kicking chicken. Can you guys see? Let's look it up. Okay. That, we'll do some garlic salt, seasoning salt. And let's hit it with the Creole. Now, what you want to do is mix this all together. People like to do this in a plastic bag, which is fine. You can do that as well. I just like to do it on a plate. I don't know. I like to make a bigger mess, obviously. So this is what the flour looks like. I don't know if y'all can see the seasoning and everything in there, but that's our flour. All right, y'all, I'm back. Okay, so our chicken done set, you know, for 10-15 minutes, however long it's been. And I got my flour right here. So here's the trick. Let me let y'all in on the little secret. The little secret how you get the chicken that look like Popeyes. The chicken tenders that look like Golden Chick. If you don't have a Golden Chick, maybe that's just a Texas thing. But girl, honey, boo, you're missing out because that's where it's at. So what you do is you take a little bit of this and you pour it in the flour. Then you get your fork and you mix it. So this is what it looks like. I hope y'all can see because I'm trying to figure out a good angle. Maybe I'll do this. There. Okay. You want to mix this like so. As y'all can tell, I'm still in my work clothes. I ain't even changed. I will show y'all what I look like today, but I look a hot ass mess. So you're just gonna mix this. Okay, see how it gets all clumpy? That's what you want. Alright, so there's your clumpy flour mixture. Then you're gonna take your chicken. And usually, y'all, what I do is I make a few pieces, I cook it, I taste it. If it's good, then I go with it. If it's not, I add some more seasoning. So then you want to coat your chicken really well, right? Like that. Then it should be like this. Can y'all see that? And then you put it in your deep fryer. I'm gonna show y'all in just a sec. But you want that stuff to stick to it. That's how you get extra crispy, crunchy. See how that looks? Let's add some more. I was going to show you guys step by step how I was making my sides as well, but you know what? I'm going to save it for another video because your girl's running out of time and my son got to eat dinner. Here it is, right? That's what your chicken looks like. And then you want to drop it. Ooh. And then typically when your chicken is done, it'll rise to the top. It'll start floating. I'm going to turn it up just a bit. Oh, fogging y'all up. And then you just repeat the step. But let me show you guys really quick over here. Oh, this is gonna be my cheese sauce for my macaroni. And then here's my potatoes. So I'm gonna let this stuff cook and then I'll be back to show you guys what the chicken looks like. All right, y'all. You see this greatness? Look at that. Does that not look like some Popeye's chicken wings? Do they even sell chicken wings? I don't know, because I usually order chicken tenders. But does that not look like a Popeye's chicken tender? I'm finna take it out because, you know, I still like to cut it open to make sure it's done and it's good on the inside. So let's do that, shall we? Let me get... Hold up. Here we go. Let's get my tongs. You will need a plate with some paper towel. And I'm gonna just grab a chicken. And a knife, and we're gonna stab that baby open. Okay, y'all. Okay. Not too shabby. think we're good here. Oh my God. Y'all see that? If y'all could taste that chicken, holy cow. Anyway, so let's go ahead and take the rest of these out because they're done. Some good old chicken tender. Oh, y'all can't even see. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh. So now I'm about to drop the next batch in, and I'll be back to show you guys what our final meal looks like. Okay, you guys, so I'm still not even done frying all this damn chicken. Who told me to make all this? I just want to know, like, which one of y'all told me to make all this damn chicken and it's been taking forever? But anywho, this is the majority of it. I just got a few pieces left. I'm actually making the drums last, so look at that. Oh my. Comment down below if you would make this, or if you want some, or if you would eat this, because baby, I'm about to dig in as soon as I turn this camera off. But anywho, so that is the chicken. These are the potatoes that look extra greasy on camera, which I mean, hell they are, but you know, I'm about to pat some of that grease off. But these are my potatoes, and then wait for it, wait for it. Look at this. OMG. This ain't just any mac and cheese. Let me show y'all. Let me show you. Watch. Oh. That's it right there. If y'all want me to do a video on how I make this, drop it in the comments below. Then I will drop my secret recipe on this bomb ass macaroni. I already gave up my bomb ass chicken recipe, but anyway. Alright, you guys, so that's it. You saw how your girl makes her bomb ass fried chicken. Please let me know in the comments down below if this is a dish that you would try. Please let me know if you got any secret recipes, any, you know, secrets on how you make your chicken. You could drop that down below and let me know what I should do differently, or if you like my recipe, if you decide to try it. But that is it, you guys, for today. So I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.